Here is a quick review of these gutter extensions. I will show you more in depth in a second. Here on the left is what it looks like when it is fully stretched out. Here on the right is what it looks like when it is not stretched out at all. As you can see, this is where it is connected to the existing gutter. They do provide you screws, so I just put one in here. This piece is separate from this piece, as you can see. Here in this example, you simply just put this just like that, turn it clockwise, that will then connect, and then you can put it as long as you want. This is very thick. It holds up to 10 pounds of weight, which is ridiculous. This is the outside where the water would funnel out from. You're able to connect another piece to here if you would like. These are great quality, they look phenomenal, and they are very easy and simple to use.